Hi there, I'm Matthew McGettigan. I'm the Senior Ranger here at Hinchingbrooke Country Park. Hinchingbrooke Country Park is a great place where you can come and see all sorts of wildlife. We've got everything from muntjac deer to otters, and in winter even seals, and of course we do also have foxes. So hopefully from that video and some of the things I've mentioned, we've inspired you to get a bit creative and make some Lego of your own. If you check out the Fens Biosphere website, you can find instructions on how to enter your creations into the competition, and whilst you're there you can find out some more about the Fens Biosphere.
Hello, I work for Natural England and today I'm going to show you how to make two foxes. Here is a scene of woodland edge wildlife you might find on the edge of the Fens, the edge of the Fens Biosphere. We've got some different foxes. And that's a really clever fox made out of Lego running, and they've got some blue tits. But I'm going to start off by showing you how to make a simple fox. So first of all you need some red Lego. I've started off with a 2x6 bit, and then I'm going to turn it over and use a 3x2 bit red, and another 3x2 and a 3x1. So just to make the body I'm going to use another 4x1 and a 1x2. There we've got a body of the fox, and I'm going to do the head. So a 1x2, I'm going to do it like that. And for the snout I'm going to use a white. I think it must be an old fox. I think as foxes get older they get a whiter snout, but anyway I'm going to use that. And then I've got, that's like the head, another 2x1 and another 1x1. Oh, you can hear the birds in my garden, hear a blackbird again. And for the ears I'm just going to use 1x1 and another 1x1. So as you all know, foxes have a really long tail, a big bushy tail, so I'm going to just use a 4x1 and a bit of white on the end, a 1x2. And for the legs, 4 legs, 1x2s. Right, so I'm sure you can do at home, you can do lots of other designs of how to make a simple fox out of the bricks you've got there. But now I'm going to show you how to make a bit more complicated fox, this fox here. So I'm going to start off with these slope bits at 45 slopes. So 3 of those, 1, 2, 3 for the back, and then a 2x3, another red one to make the body. And then for the head I've got one of these inverted slope 2x1, and this is one at 33, call that. And these are more inverted slopes, 45. That one either side. So now the head, 1x2. And then a white 1x2, and then the other side of the head, another 1x2, and then sort of the back of the head I'm going to use 1x3s like that. And then for the forehead I'm going to use another a slope 3x2, a red one like that. Now for the rest of the body I've got another 1x3, and then for the top of the legs I'm going to use is one of these inverted slopes, 45, red. So we need 2 of those like that. And then for the rest of the body I'm going to put another 3x2 and like going to be like sitting upright, so it's going to be sat on his tail. So I'm going to use a 3x2 just to make the tail 2x2, and then sort of like the legs, it's going to be sat on some legs, so put that there. And then for the long tail I've got a 4x2, and yeah, for the white tail, then some slopes. These are 33 2x3, so 2 of those, so I'll have a long bushy tail. And I've got the legs, another again just black bricks for that. Yeah, I'm just going to put another plate here just to hold the tail on, a 3x2. And finally the ears. I found these bits are very good for ears. I think they're actually called, I'm not sure what they're called, but these little slope pieces. That was the ears. So you can hear my blackbird again. So there we are, and I'm going to show you a list of the pieces I've used today. So there's a list of all the pieces used for the simple fox, just a list, and for the more detailed fox. So hope you have enjoyed building and you've used your imagination to build lots of different wildlife.